Hey, I'm Capri and this channel is about hula hooping. In this video I'm going to show you the hand spin above your head. So grab your hoop and let's give it a go. But before we will do it, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to the channel as there are a lot of tutorials upcoming and already existing on my channel. So let's go! There are two elements that I would like to explain you in this tutorial. First, how to enter the movement and how to exit from it. And the second, of course, how to perform it when you're already above your head. So you want to place the hoop on the same side that you're holding it, and in a circular motion, draw it towards the front and elevate it up above your head. Without the hoop, this movement would look like this. Up. And I'm staying in here, okay? When you want to exit, the same way you want to follow the direction of your hoop and draw it down in a circular motion towards the other side, okay? Now, how to perform the movement. Once you go up above your head, you would like to place the hoop more or less on the height of the base of your fingers, and this is where you want the hoop to stay. And from this sweet spot, you will be pushing it towards the front each time it touches this part of your palm, okay? So let's take a look at it all together. So from the same side as I'm holding it, I'm elevating the hoop in a circular motion up above my head to push it towards the front every time it touches the external part of my palm. And when I want to go down, I will follow it in a circular motion to throw it to the other side. And that's basically it. That's the hand spin above our head, okay? What can we do more about this? Okay, so we're going up with our more intuitive hand. In my case, it's the right one. And I'm going down and I can go in the other direction. So the same way, circular motion up above my head. I can go down and up. Stay for a few spins above my head and go down. What I can do with the other hand is interesting because this is less intuitive. However, I can repeat the same motions, the same combination with my second hand and go down, change direction and go down. Okay, let's have more fun. Switch the hands. So once I'm above my head, I'm pushing the hoop towards the front. I'm placing the other hand super close, super tight, both together and switch them. And go down, change directions above my head, slide the other hand, switch them and go down. Now let me give you some additional hints and resume it up. So, in the first part of this video, I told you that the best position to perform the hand spin above your head will be like this, thumb facing towards you and you are pushing the hoop with this part of your palm, okay? However, it is also possible to do it like this or like this or like this, whatever feels best for you, okay? So experiment on your own, do your research in this trick and maybe it will become easier to move the hand like this and go from one side to the other. Maybe also depending on the tricks that you will be using before and after performing the hand spin, it will be easier some way, okay? So do your research here, switch the position of the palm, okay? Maybe there is something more for you in there. Also try to stretch the arm as high as possible and go a little lower and check out what feels best for you, okay? What's the difference? How do you feel it? Try turning around with it, okay? So turn around with your body while performing the hand spin and then maybe following the direction of your hoop, go down and break the direction and go the other way. Okay, then when you want to go down, maybe you want to break the movement on your back. So here, stop and go back again. All right, so some additional moves to this trick. Okay, that will be it for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, you know what to do. You know, I always appreciate any signs of your presence here. Subscribe to the channel not to miss any of the upcoming tutorials. There are still many of them on the list. And I see you in the next one.